Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we don't make a YouTube video about hot cocoa's life. Okay, let's get started. Milo's staring at me, and he's just, you know that cute dog. Let's start with this video. Hey Benny, do you want to go on a walk? I would take that as a yes. Let's put your leash on. Okay, now you have your leash on. I'm gonna bring poop bags just in case if you poop, Benny. And let's take out that blanket here. Okay, I'm gonna put this in here so you can get it. Here, okay. Come on, Benny. Okay. I can't believe we can't afford a house. Here. Okay.
And Milo's resting on top of his food bag. It's empty.
Yep. He is. Yeah, ma. Okay. Just to know that. Okay? Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, here's a poop. You look weird, Benny. Okay. Okay. Okay, now you went to the bathroom. Let's go back to this. Didn't go that far. Let's take a nap, Benny. 10 hours later. It's 8 p.m. Oh, Benny, it's 8 p.m. Let's go back to bed. Ow! 1 p.m. 8 p.m. What's wrong, Benny? What time is it? Oh, it's 8 a.m. Okay, let's start our day, Benny. Let's put this bed back up to a couch. Okay. Benny off. Then this. Yeah. Okay, there. Now let's put this on. And now the pillows. Here, you can eat your bone. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, now I'm just done away my notebook. Okay, there. That and look.